We're gonna try to keep this less than 2. I've been getting a few requests about how to do a screencast, yet keep the presenter view. I like it. Sounds like a great idea. The main reason I like Google Meet because it's going to take your presenter view and it's going to take it outside of the screen you're sharing. Right now, you're looking at my presenter view inside of the screen I'm sharing. Google Meet is not going to block any of that picture. I had to move my little cartoon face out of the way. I had to rearrange stuff in order to fit this window. So I like Google Meet because it takes that window and sets it apart. There are 4 steps. 1, start a Google Meet. You simply want to go to the waffle and hit Meet and simply say join or start a meeting. Doesn't matter, you can just hit continue. You definitely want to make sure you're choosing the right microphone. Select done and join now. 2, select record. Go to these 3 dots in the bottom right that says more option, and you just want to make sure that you hit record meeting. When you hit record meeting, you say accept, and notice the record will turn red. Number 3, share your screen. So I'm going to present a window, but I gotta set up that window. So I'm gonna drag this window out, select window, and I'm gonna choose this window and share. Your students will see your whatever you're doing on screen, whether it be a slideshow or you're just navigating around Chrome or Google Doc or whatever you're doing, but they're also going to be able to see your presenter view off to the right. Number 4, wait for the email. Once the video is processed and uploaded, it's going to appear in your Google Drive. For me, it's taken anywhere from 20-25 minutes to an hour for this to happen. Hopefully you had your microphone on, hit leave call, and that should be it. Thanks, have a wonderful day, stay safe.